Common phrasal verbs with take. Take aback. Take aback. It means to surprise or shock someone. Examples: we were taken aback by the news. His voice was so loud that it took us aback at first. Take after. Take after. It means to be similar to someone. Examples: she's very funny. She takes after her mother. He takes after his father's side of the family. Take apart. Take apart. It means to separate something. Examples: he took my phone apart to fix it. Tom was always taking things apart in the garage. Take part. Take part. It means to participate. Examples: he is willing to take part in a class. I couldn't take part in the meeting because I was sick. Take place. Take place. It means happen. Examples: the concert takes place next Thursday. The incident took place outside the police station at around 9 p.m. Take away. Take away. It means to remove something. Examples: take that table away as we don't need it in here. They took away my passport, so I can't travel. Take against. Take against. It means begin to dislike someone. Examples: after a fight, he took against his father. She took against the relationship between them. Take back. Take back. It means to return something. Examples: the dress was too tight, so I took it back to the shop. I took back my jacket from Sarah. Take down. Take down. It means to write something down. Examples: she took down John's number so she could call him back. Can I just take some details down? Take for. Take for. It means believe something about someone. Examples: you took me for an idiot. She looks very mature, so I took her for much older than 14. Take in. Take in. It means be deceived by someone. Examples: she lied. I can't believe I was taken in by her. Don't be taken in by products claiming to help you lose weight. Have you ever been taken in by someone? Write in the comment. Take off. Take off. It means to leave the ground. Examples: the plane took off at 2 p.m. I felt quite excited as the plane took off. Take on. Take on. It means to accept a job or responsibility. Examples: I took on the project. Don't take on too much work. The extra cash isn't worth it. Take out. Take out. It means to remove something. Examples: I got my wisdom tooth taken out. I took out my wallet from my bag. Take over. Take over. It means to get control of a company. Examples: Facebook took over WhatsApp in 2014. His only reason for investing in the company was to take it over. Take someone through something. Take someone through something. It means to explain something to someone. Examples: let me take you through the instruction for the exam. I can take you through it if you don't know what to do. Take two. Take two. It means to like someone or something. Examples: the students really took to the new teacher. Sandra took to it straight away. Take up. Take up. It means spend time doing something. Examples: she took up swimming and started going twice a week. Alex took painting up for a while, but soon lost interest. Take it upon oneself. Take it upon oneself. It means to accept the responsibility for something. Examples: he took it upon himself to show the guests around. I took it upon myself to give him the bad news. Subscribe to my channel for more phrasal verb videos and share with your friends.